In today's video, I am going to teach you how to track conversions in Airtable using Claude AI. First, open Claude AI and start a new chat. This is where you will generate the structure for your conversion tracking system. Once the chat is open, paste in a prompt that asks Claude to create a conversion tracking system directly in Airtable using the integration. The request should include tables for leads and conversions, along with fields for name, source, stage, status, value, owner, conversion date, and metrics. It should also ask for funnel tracking and for everything to be fully configured and ready to use. After you send the prompt, allow Claude to generate and create the Airtable setup. When that process is complete, open Airtable and go to your workspace. In your workspace, look for the newly created base for the conversion tracker. Open that base so you can review the structure that was generated. Start by checking the leads table. Make sure the expected fields are there and that the table is ready for data entry. You should see fields that help you capture important lead information, including where the lead came from, what stage it is in, who owns it, and its current status. This table should act as the starting point for your funnel. Next, open the conversions table. Review the fields there as well and confirm that everything needed for completed conversions has been created correctly. This includes items like conversion value, conversion date, ownership, and any metrics that support performance tracking. The purpose of this table is to help you record successful outcomes and measure results over time. Once both tables look correct, verify the funnel tracking setup. Check that the stages and statuses reflect the actual conversion process you want to follow. This is important because a clear funnel will make it easier to monitor movement from new lead to completed conversion. If needed, make small adjustments so the labels match your workflow. With the structure confirmed, begin adding your conversion data. Enter leads into the leads table and record completed outcomes in the conversions table. As your data builds, you will be able to use the base to monitor performance more effectively. Finally, use the information in Airtable to track and analyze conversion rates. Review how leads move through each stage, compare sources, and watch overall results. This will give you a clear view of how your conversion process is performing. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.